the most stupid things, like we were so high, but love was all that we were on. We belong.
And though the world will never understand exactly who we are and why it still stands, someday we will be set free.
Supply. Close your eyes,
Dry your tears,
'cause when nothing
seems clear,
you'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears. Weary heart, you'll be safe here. Thank you guys, we love you.
Guys, pero before we leave, I'd like to thank you personally, Nato. Thank you so much for being here. Alam ko kung gaano ka hands-on. We've been practicing this for days, weeks even. So maraming salamat. Thank you so much for all the effort. Maraming
Congratulations on a successful concert. You are the definition that when you believe in something, it can happen. And I'm so proud of you.
The Theater at Soleil! Give it up for Donnie Pangilinan!
Bel Mariano!